Hello, my name is Khwahish Bhardwaj and I'm here to give some answers. So, what makes you happy and what are your hobbies? Um, about hobbies, I really love to, I really love dancing. I'm a very sports kind of person. Like I'm very much into sports, so I do swimming. I'm a state level swimmer. I'm a state level badminton player, and also a state level volleyball player. So yeah, I have played a lot of things, and also that's just my playing sports enthusiast, being a sports enthusiast. But also I love singing and I love dancing, but acting is not my hobby. It's something I need to do in my life, and it's something that is really important to me. And I can't think anything beyond acting or, you know, anything that just could stop me from acting, because I know that is the only thing that for which I'm made for, or I don't know how to explain that, but yes, I love acting. And what makes me happy, to be very honest, helping animals. I mean, I love animals, be it a dog, a cat, a tiger, or a snake, or I don't know, or a cow, or I don't know. I just can't see them in pain. So I've had many incidents which I have personally done and dealt with. I'll not go into that, but I really, really, really love animals and they make me happy. Like, if you give me a dog, a cat, a cow, a calf, I'll be more than happy. And I also plan of, starting an NGO later stages in my life. Not today because I don't have money and I don't have that much of facility. But yes, once I'm on my feet, I will surely do that. Your relationship with parents, siblings, and school friends. My relationship with my parents is very cool. I mean, they are very understanding, and they know what I want to do in my life, and they have been very supportive. Starting में थोड़ी problem हुई थी, but then I convinced them somehow, and also they have been very supportive. My mom is very, very supportive of whatever I'm doing and whatever I want to do in my life. And my dad has always been a pillar. I, yeah. So I can't explain it in just a few words, but they have been very amazing. I love my parents. And siblings. Oh God, yes. I have a brother. He's 6 years older than me, and I have been blessed with the best brother. Like, he hasn't stopped me from doing anything, from experiencing anything. He has taken me to auditions even if he was not free, even if he was having classes. He used to plug in his earphones and take me to auditions. I mean, I love him. I That one person, like, he is the only one person that can never ever ever be replaced other than my parents in my life. He can never, like, I can't even imagine him not being in my life. I so love him, and I'm staying with him, so it's really cool. School friends. School friends have been amazing. Some have been not amazing. Like, school friends were like not very constant with. I was not very constant with my school friends. But then I have enjoyed that particular, like, एक phase होता है जैसे कि क्लास 6, 7, 8, 9 में मेरे एक बैच ऑफ फ्रेंड्स थे जिनके साथ आई एन्जॉयड अ लॉट, एंड देन वी काइंड ऑफ got separated because of our streams, different streams. And then 11th 12th में एक अलग दोस्ती हुई, but then that also, I'm not very much in contact with. But I have been very nice to my seniors and I'm still in contact with them, which is really very nice. And also some of my juniors. So it's like that. I'm not in much contact with my friends, school friends, but I'm in contact with my seniors and juniors. So it's like that. Networking app you like most and why? There is nothing as such, matlab, most, but yes, I like Instagram and I like Snapchat because that's what is everywhere. So yes, Instagram because that keeps me updated with everything that's going around in the world, except for the reels and the dancing. But it's a good platform to. I see every day. I see new talent, and every day I see something new which people are doing in their life to make themselves happy and to feel proud of. And also, I get to know about all these additions, and it's really nice. It's a nice platform to express yourselves and express your, yeah, some people judge, but then some people appreciate, so it's always a negative and a positive thing happening around, so it's like that. And Snapchat, because it has very cool filters so I love Snapchat, yeah. And going to school was fun or boring? Actually, for me, going to school was amazing. I mean, I used to get up early. I used to dress very well. I used to go to school, and because I had that kind of a impression, मतलब थोड़ी पढ़ने वाली kind of, so it was very nice for me. I was like, um, I used to love going to school, and also I have done a lot of fun in my school days. Like I have lived what a school children do, what they have fun, what they go and they have fun over there. So I have done everything, and also I don't regret if I'm not having any school friends in contact right now, because it's life. Life happens and it's good. It's okay. You need to let new people come into your life. So it's completely fine for me. And also, it was fun because I was in the choir group, so I used to go there and chant prayers regularly in the assembly. So there was no one day that I was late because I had to be in the choir. So it is like that. Pranks and craziest things you have done inside and outside with school friends. Okay, this is a tough question, but yeah, I have done things which mostly everyone, I guess, must have done in their life once, like splashing water and pranks, as in. mm Yes, I have bumped into my friends saying ki, oh, teacher aa gayi, teacher aa gayi, teacher aa gayi. So that is one thing. Then I have splashed water on them in the washroom के बाहर निकलते ही cameras लगे होते थे, but still we used to have so much fun. Then we used to write numbers on the washroom walls. I don't know if it's good, if it's sounding good, but yeah, we used to write numbers of the girls of our friends. So yeah, we did that. And also some pranks. Yeah, in when I was in my 12th standard, I did something really crazy, which was outside the school, but in school uniform and just outside the school. So it was like that. I actually I haven't मतलब उस वक्त तक I hadn't ever had alcohol, had ever tasted alcohol. So we were three friends. One was a boy and two girls, including me. So what we did was we made a plan कि हाँ आज try करते हैं. So we just mixed that alcohol in the Appy Fizz bottle because it's of the same color. So we did that, and we were standing there and drinking, and my friend got really drunk because it was our first time and we all didn't know the capacity of anyone over there. So it was crazy, and we had to take her home, and it was a very crazy day. So it's just that. And okay, so the next one is your favorite one liner and curse word. One liner. I guess I say I know right a lot. I know right. So like that. When I'm speaking English. हिंदी में one liner तो ऐसा कुछ है नहीं, but I don't know. Curse words हैं, वो depends upon the situation, depends upon what I'm thinking, and it just comes out. It's nothing like that. I don't fix with a particular word or a particular one liner to say it all my life. I change. So yeah, I keep myself updated with that also. Um, Tell us about your first crush. Okay, so this is going quite personal, but about my crush. Uh, Actually, I never had a crush other than a celebrity, but yes, I had once when I was in ninth standard, I guess. Yeah, ninth or tenth. He was 2 साल senior था वो मुझसे, and I used to like I was I used to be in the choir, I used to be in the assembly. So वो ना we had a stair, okay, staircase था एक अंदर आने का to get into the assembly line and all that. So I just watched him once for the first time walking down that stairs, and I was like, whoa, is that guy from our school? And it was so crazy because I mean, I had never felt that way for anybody. And he was so cute, he was super cute, and he was तीन तीन या 2 साल बड़ा था, आई गेस 3 साल बड़ा था. So I was like, oh god, this is so he's so out of the league, because I was completely a kid that at that particular time, and I don't know, my heartbeat started, my heart rate started increasing, and everything of that sort started happening, and it was really lovely. And I still remember the first time I saw him, and then I used to walk around so that he notices me and all of that girl stuff. I used to do, yeah, it's like that. But then nothing happened. He was just my crush. Um, but yes, we did start talking, but then it just ended up being friends. Yeah, we just ended up being friends. What turns you on emotionally and spiritually? Okay, so to be very honest, as I told you that I love animals, so like I get very emotional both ways. When I see a dog who is fine, who is happy, or whatever, I don't know, like that makes me uh, emotionally weak, or I don't know, I just get attached to animals this quick. And also when I see them in pain or in grief, or I don't know, I just, it's both ways. I can't explain that in words, but बहुत बुरा लगता है, एंड आई ट्राई टू हेल्प देम आउट जितना मुझसे हो सके. बट देन अगेन यू कांट डू गुड थिंग्स सब कुछ एक दिन में, राइट? इट्स डिवाइडेड, इट्स पार्ट वाइज. So yeah, I try to do the best I can for that thing and in that particular moment. But yes, I also have a dog. I have a pet dog, and I love him very much. But I'm away from him right now, so I'm really missing him a lot. It's his birthday today, but still, you need to be like that. Okay. So and talking about spiritually, I guess I have a favorite Bhagwan. So I really love him, and that is Bajrangbali and Shivji. So what spiritually um, turns me on is listening to the Shiv Tandava Strotam. I have mugged it up, I have learnt it with just the 2 paragraphs. So I really find it amusing. Like I feel it magical, and I feel that when I'm listening to it, I'm somewhere else. I just feel that I'm not here, not existing here, but I'm somewhere else completely, and I don't know where, but it's very magical. And also I know I have learned the whole Hanuman Chalisa, but I don't know, I have a different connection with Hanumanji. Like whenever I'm sad, whenever I'm in fear, whenever I'm uh, scared, I just call out his name. I just call out his name, and things seem to be fine inside. I don't know. Many people believe in God, many people don't, but I do personally. I think that I don't think in I don't believe in all those sculptures and things, but I think that you should have faith in some ultimate power that is beyond you. So that is, there is something which you should have faith in. you know yeah, so that is what my point of view is, that is what I believe in, to be honest. Okay. uh, do you have a secret diary or blog? Actually, I used to have a secret diary. I don't write blogs, but I used to have a secret diary. And yes, I used to write my, like, बचपन से नहीं था ये secret diary. I created it when I was in 10th or 11th, I guess. So I started writing all the thoughts that came inside my head, whatever going on. Like I used to write poems, and I used to write prose, and I used to write paragraphs, 2 to 3, कि क्या मेरे दिमाग में चल रहा है, just jot it down. So it was like that, and I still have it, but I don't continue writing because No, I just don't feel like writing now, but I used to. Yeah. Do you seek attention through your Instagram, through your social media handles? Seek attention. No, I mean my Instagram, and I just use Instagram and Snapchat. So Snapchat, there's nothing like that to seek attention. But on Instagram, no, I share what I feel like. Maybe 5 to 10% I do seek attention, but then again, I'm like, it's fine. I just share my parts. I mean, I just share my memories. I have been using Instagram as a cloud for my memories because my phone usually gets changed and everything just collapses. It gets deleted. So yes, I sometimes share my feelings on Instagram. I sometimes show what's going inside my life. I post time to time, and I'm not a very frequent poster, but yes, I do. Mm, so it's like that. And I have deleted two of my Instagram handles before this one because I was very much addicted to Instagram at one point in my life, and then I got this thing ki no, you shouldn't be so much addicted to something, addiction to any particular thing is dangerous. So yes, I did quit Instagram two times, but then I'm back again. Last year I got back again in November, so things are going well till now. And yeah, hopefully I'm not gonna delete because it's a thing that you have to have right now because you otherwise you'll feel left out. Or yeah, so that's it. Thank you so much.